Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the peaceful community of Boxwood, St. Elizabeth, this 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom family home offers the perfect blend of comfort, space, and functionality. It comes with 2,250 square feet of living space and sits on zero point 0.2 acres of land. Two of the bathrooms are ensuite, providing added privacy and convenience. The home features a U-shaped kitchen, cozy living and dining areas, a back porch, and a veranda ideal for relaxing or entertaining guests. Comfort is ensured with air conditioning units and ceiling fans throughout. A fully self-contained flat to the rear adds excellent flexibility, perfect for extended family, guest or potential rental income. Take advantage of additional features like a secure garage with shutter and a dedicated storage room. Call today for a viewing or make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million, US 221.8 thousand, Canadian 317.5 thousand, or 172.4 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.